Hey guys, I'm back with another LEGO tutorial, and today I am going to be showing you how to build a LEGO plane. So, let's get started. You're going to need, for this step, you're going to need a 2x6 brick on plate and and a 3x6 plate, well, two of those, and another 2x6 plate. So you're going to put the 2x6 on the bottom, and then your 3x6 brick on the top. And it's going to should look like that. And now, in the front, you're going to need this kind of a piece, and I really have no idea what that's called, so in the comments below, please tell me, because that would be really useful. So, and we just place it on right there, and it'll be looking like that. And now we are going to need another 2x6 plate, and you're going to put that, you're going to flip this over, no you're not, you're going to just keep it like that, you're going to put it right there, like so. So it should look like that. And now you're going to flip it over, and you are going to put on two of these 2x3 pieces, and you're going to put them here and here, and then right back there you are going to put one of these pieces with sort of knobs, like that, but two knobs, and you're going to put them right there for wheels. And now you're going to flip this over again, and you are going to put on a 2x2 windshield piece, transparent, and you're going to put it right there. So it should be looking like this. Well, actually, let's put it like that. It should look like that right now. And then I'm going to put it back, and you're going to, and I am no LEGO expert, so I have no idea what this is called, but in the comments below, please tell me what this piece is called. That would be really helpful. And you put it right there. And then you put on, well, you take two red cheese wedges, and you place them right there and there. So then you take 3 jumper plates, and those are with the 1 studs on the top, 2x1 with 1 stud on them, and you're just going to put them across. So you should look like that. Then you're going to take a 1x3 30-degree angle roof piece, and you're going to place it right there on all of those. And then to finish off really the top side of it, you're going to take another cheese wedge, and you're going to place it right here, like so. And to finish this plane off, you are going, well, to finish off the basic body, there's really nothing more except for 2 pieces after these 2. So, pieces like these, but with 1 knob and 2 by 2, and you're going to place them right on like that, knob facing out. And then the last 2 pieces are going to be a green transparent stud and a red transparent stud. And you're going to flip this plane over, and on the right you're going to put your red. And no, I'm not doing this backwards. I'm going to see it that, so it'll be on your right. And then on the left, you're going to put the green. And that's pretty much all for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial of a simple, well, I didn't mention it was mini scale, but of a simple mini scale Lego plane. Hope you enjoyed the video. And it would be very helpful if you remember to press that like button and and subscribe button, just to help me out a little bit. Encourage me. And in the comments below, tell me what you would like to see. So please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And bye. Whoops, technical difficulties. Bye.